Hello engineers, another sample problem for Mechanics of Deformable Bodies, Module 1, Under Stress. The problem states, the beam is supported by two rods AB and CD that have cross-sectional areas of 12 square millimeters and 8 square millimeters respectively. Determine the position D of the 6 kilonewton load so that the average normal stress in each rod is the same. Start tayo by defining the unknowns. So we have rod AB and rod CD. Let's cut a section here and here para mapalabas natin yung internal force for rod AB and rod CD. Since ang ating 6 kilonewton load is downwards, ang tendency of rod AB and rod CD, yung internal forces nila will be upward to counteract yung downward force na 6 kilonewtons. So pangalanan natin to as F, AB, and this one F, CD. So going back sa problem, we have area of AB which is equal to 12 square millimeters, and we have area of rod CD that is 8 square millimeters. And we have another condition that is the average normal stress in each rod is the same. So we have average normal stress for rod AB equal to the average normal stress for rod CD. And since normal stress is equal to the normal force AB divided by the area of rod AB, and then the normal force of rod CD divided by the area of rod CD. Substituting the values, we have FAB divided by 12 square millimeters, and we have FCD divided by 8 square millimeters. So since both sides ay may square millimeter, we can just multiply it with square millimeter na units, cancel on both sides, and then simplifying, we have FAB equal to 12 over 8 FCD and is equal to 1.5 FCD. Let's call this equation 1. Now that we have a relation between FAB and FCD, going back sa figure, we can take a summation of forces. Summation of forces vertical equals 0, positive upward. So we have FAB plus FCD equals 6 kilonewtons. And since we have the relation in equation 1, let's substitute the value. So FAB becomes 1.5 FCD. Simplifying, we have 1.5 plus 1, that's 2.5 FCD equals 6 kilonewtons. And then we'll arrive with FCD equals 2.4 kilonewtons. So since we have FCD equals 2.4 kilonewtons, we can now take a summation of moments. Summation of moments. Ang magandang piliin is at point A, para mag-cancel out agad yung force AB since we already have the value of FCD. So summation of moment at A equals 0, positive counterclockwise. So we have 6 times D clockwise. So that's negative. And then we have FCD times 3 meters. And then counterclockwise. So that's positive. Then equals 0. Substituting the value of FCD, we have 2.4 here, kilonewtons. And then simplifying, we have D equals 2.4 kilonewtons times 3 meters and then divided by 6 kilonewtons. And then we'll end up with value D equals 1.2 meters. So that's it. I hope you learned something. This is Engineer Lance. Thank you for watching.